Hi guys.
Hi.
Are you ready for quick fire?
Yes.
Okay, name something that is smooth and black.
A rock.
True. Natalie?
Smooth and black.
Mm-hmm.
Idris Elba. I've seen idea.
Okay, next question. How many bones does a human?
206.
Okay. When did Kenya gain independence?
1962.
Hey, Kenya
What?
gain independence.
1963.
What organ produces bile juice?
Pancreas.
Unajibu juu unajua ama unajibu tu?
Tunajua.
Okay. Name the last 3 human teeth. Natalie?
The last 3.
Mm-hmm.
Molars, premolars, and canines.
Wisdom.
Okay, your wisdom.
Both of you have 30 seconds to sing the first stanza of national anthem. Sorry, I didn't specify in English.
Oh God of all creation, bless is our land and nation.
Just be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity, peace and liberty. Plenty be found within our borders. Shoulders.